all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me.
Hey guys, so myself Dilpreet Kaur and my today's video is related to this muffler. So I have created this muffler into a shrug and a sort of jacket. Isn't it interesting? So without any further ado, let's just start with the DIY. But wait. Before that, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's head on. Hi guys, so I have with me the muffler. So this is the muffler, जिसको मैंने इस तरह से fold किया हुआ है. Okay. So there are two sides, vertical sides and the two sides. This side what I've done is मैंने एक zip लगाया है. So you can get this zip at a stationery store also, and also at any of the store which offers, you know, embroidery things and embroidery threads and everything, right? So I opted for this pearl one because I really loved it, and I love the black color too. This muffler is really very stretchy also. So yeah, coming back on the other side, if you see, what I've done is I have used a sewing machine to stitch it this way on the back side. Just I think 2 to 3 inches का ही stitch लिया है मैंने, not more than that. So ये stretchable है तो ये अपने आप आपकी body पे अच्छे से fit हो जाने वाला है. And you can also use your hand stitch, right? You can use a normal needle and a thread, and that is it. Then that also will definitely work for it. So this is mandatory. And अगर आपको आगे की साइड zip नहीं रखना है, you want to keep it as a shrug, so don't add zip, just let it be as it is, and आप उसको as a shrug पहन सकते हो. I'll just show you how it will look like as a shrug. And see, I'm wearing this. So this will be the shrug. You can just, you know, fold the muffler to make it a collar, and this is how this will look like. So this will be a shrug, this will be the back. So as I said that, it will automatically adjust according to your body, right? So this is how it will look like as a shrug, and if there are no zippers, it will look something like this, which is black. And yeah, I'm pretty much loving the back also. And I'm loving the maroon color that I have made in contrast with this. And wearing this as a jacket sort of thing, if you see, it is gonna something look like this. This is how it will look like. So what you can do is, you can just take it downside to cover your shirt or anything, or you can just tuck in your shirt. And you just need to take this close, and there you go. And this will basically look like a lapel collar, you see. And I'm really much loving this muffler. I got this from Punjab, from a normal retail store, and I really love this and the coziness. And yeah guys, I hope you also enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this was of help to you. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Main चीज़ तो ये है कि अगर आप यहाँ पे नए हो तो please don't forget to subscribe and help me grow. And yeah, that is about it guys. See you in my other videos. Bye bye.